gas. Want me to hold it up?
But I don't know yet because it sounds like it's overfueling because if I close that, it ran better. So I might have to kick down the jet. Maybe it's sucking too much fuel.
Gotcha.
But it runs good. If I close the choke a little bit, it'll run. That's why it revved up more. But it sounds cool. It works
Is that
good.
the oil dripping back to release?
Yeah, it's the return.
Return?
I'm gonna drill a hole or something somewhere and just put it back in, or right the dipstick or something.
Dipstick, yeah.
So stupid. Sounds cool though.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Tractor build part 2. She's a running again. So you guys subscribe, comment. Come on. CrazyTractors.com or something. There's got to be something out there. Who's got one of these bad bitches? Turbo lawnmower. He's getting funny now. It's getting funny.